Hi guys, you're welcome again in this video. Today, this video, we are coming to prepare a plan. We are coming to prepare a plan, either cadastral plan or certified plan. All right. So I think we can't capture everything on one video. So I'll be doing it bit by bit so that you understand. All right. You are coming to use Autocad 2007. I think as a beginner, I will recommend 2007 AutoCAD version for you. And as time goes, you can upgrade your AutoCAD to other modern or new version, either 2020, 2019, 2018, 2022, any of them. But as a beginner, I will encourage you to use 2000. It looks somehow easy to use, and when you get to know the features on it, you'll be able to use the high version one. Thank you. All right, we are coming to check our data. Everything I save them in a training folder called training. So let me open it and you see. All right, I have a folder in training called plotting. All right, I have my CSV here. Open the CSV. All right, I have my coordinates here. I have my level here, and then don't mind. We don't need this. We don't need this one, so we can delete them off, and then we save the data. All right, let's get started. You open our AutoCAD. This is the interface of AutoCAD 2007. You survey, come to survey, come to plot point plotting, then you navigate to where you save your CSV. Then mine was on desktop in training. Okay, I've seen it. Click on it. All right. Here you should specify the point size, text size, and the offset distance. Some are using 13, some are using 12. That doesn't mean you cannot. You should use a point size or text size that makes sense with the plan you are coming to prepare. The figures I'm putting, they are not fixed or constant. You can change them to fit the plan you are preparing. Thank you. All right. I will use 12. That's 12. Then, okay. Here, our points were arranged in northern, eastern, and label. So you select this and then you click OK. All right. Here is our data. You can see the front size of the text, the pillar IDs or the original numbers. Mostly, I don't like it this way. To change the front size, you type ST, press enter. Now you come to text and then you type AR. You see area, then you click on it, you apply, then you close. You see that the front size, the styles have changed. Then you now move them. All right. Move the shortcut is M, then you press enter. That's move. All right. You click on the item or the this thing you want, anything you want to move, then you press M, enter, then click, you move it. You click and drag, you move it. All right. Now to plot in survey, we deal with clockwise direction plotting. So these are our reference. In plotting, you look at the control. If you start with, mostly we have two controls when we are plotting, two or more. But this one we are having two. But you look at the two, which one, if I join it, it will come to the plot and go clockwise direction, then close the other without the line cross. Survey lines doesn't cross. So if you start with this can be your core station. But in this plot, then if this is your check, you can start here and come and when you reach here, you close. Yeah, from the last point, like point 2 to point this control, the line that joined from here to the first point and the last point coming to this one will cross. And in survey, that is totally wrong. So what we do is that what you do is that you just pick the line. Normally, shortcut form for line is L, then you enter. So you pick the line. You see the O snap. To on the O snap, you come here, click on it, or it is on. All right. Then you click on the center of the point. You come, click join here, join the points, you close, and you close from here. You press enter again to continue the joining from here to here. All right. In survey, it means before you during the survey, you started from a knowing point, then you deduce the position of the parcel. After the last point, you close on another knowing point. That's what this means. The next step is bearing and distance. What direction, which direction is the first point you have picked from the reference? To do that, you come to survey, bearing and distance in feet, and then you press LR, enter, 12, enter, then N, no, and enter. Then you click, just highlight the plotting, then you right click. You see, we have our bearing and distance in our parcel. So meaning to get from the control or the starting knowing point, the first point is 138 degrees 49 minutes 26 seconds direction to the first point with the moves with the distance of 1261.16 feet to this point. And this is how we determined the bearing and distance in plotting. Okay, I'll continue the next process in the other video. Thank you for spending time in this video. If, as usual, if it is helpful, you can subscribe and like and even share for others to also learn. Thank you for learning with Xavier Abogdo. Meet you in the next video.